Hey everyone, it's Bud, and I'm back with another stuff. Today is Wednesday, November 24th, and it's the afternoon time. It's roughly 3 p.m. Central Time, and I hope you guys are doing well. Coming to you guys a little bit earlier. I got off work early today, guys. I'm so fired up. We got a nice long weekend ahead of us, guys. Let's go. Congrats to everybody out there. Um, wow, I've got so much to talk to you guys about today. Got the webcam back out, so that makes a nicer quality video. I feel like you guys deserve a nicer quality video every once in a while. So, of course, this one might come through a little bit more clear than usual. Um, of course, I have so much to talk to you guys about today. First of all, let's just get the drop out of the way, guys. We had a drop today for a comic, Young Avengers number 12. How did the drop go for old Bud Thompson? I went for the drop and I got a blind box, guys. Congrats to me. I got a comment, so nothing crazy, but I was still happy to get the drop. Of course, as you guys can imagine, felt great. Added the comic to my collection and feeling pretty good. Now, the real purpose of the video today is actually I made a very great purchase today, and I really wanted to talk to you guys about it because it's just a great example of kind of how you can make progress on the app and stuff like that. So I wanted to talk to you guys about it, of course. So okay, so let's start off here. So I had a lot of money left over on the app, okay? I had a lot of money left over on the app because I had been selling some pieces and I had just been sitting on the sideline. So today I was just refreshing the market, refreshing the market, refreshing the market, refreshing the market, just seeing what I could see. And I found a piece that I very much liked, and I sniped it. Now, I want to talk to you guys about it in a minute, but what I want to say is just right away, what is the tip? What is the takeaway? The takeaway here is when you're on the Veve app and you want to purchase something, the best bet is probably not to buy the first one you find. Probably don't FOMO in. It's probably like the right decision, maybe like 1 out of 1,000 times, but probably the wrong decision all of the other times, is what I would say. So usually I like to sit there and watch the market, watch many prices come by, watch many deals come by, and I wait till the right time and I make my move. So if you want my tip, that's a tip I have for everybody out there is when you're trying to make moves on the Veve app, I think that being patient is usually a very good idea. Wait to see where the prices are at. See if you can find a great deal. You know, you can either A, buy on the floor, or you can wait to see if you can find one well below the floor, or to see if you can find a great mint number at floor. So that's my take on it. So, what was the item I got today, guys? I really got two items today. The first item was I got a Zombie Hunter Spider Man. So that's going to be, let me just turn down my phone brightness and maybe I can show you guys. So I got this Spider Man right here. This one, as you guys can see on the left there, that Spider Man right there, the Zombie Hunter Common. Now, this NFT is edition number 00652, which is obviously a very good serial number, 652. I got this for $70. The floor is at $50, so I went ahead and I just sold my bad cereal and I kept that one. That's $20 and I get a very nice cereal and I'm very happy with that move. I'm very happy with that move. All right, now the real beautiful move that I made today, guys, is actually another Spider-Man piece, but this time it's going to be the Spider-Man rare. So this one here, guys, this one. I got edition number 0677. Okay, 0677. And this is the rare Spider-Man. Okay, I got that amazing serial number. It's the rare Spider-Man, and I got it, as you can tell in the thumbnail, for $399, guys. $399. Now, the cheapest version of this NFT, the cheapest sub 1,000 Spider-Man on the market is like $580, guys. So as far as I'm concerned, I could sell this thing anywhere and make a pretty good profit on it. It basically, as far as I can tell, this thing is worth about 550. I got it for like 400. That's like $150 profit as far as I'm concerned, guys. And that's the move I made today. And I would love to hear from you guys down in the comments down below. What are your guys' thoughts about that move? I grabbed the rare Spider-Man, jump into action, edition number 0677, and I got it for $399. What are your guys' thoughts? Let me know down in the comments down below, okay, guys? I really need to know. Now, just want to reiterate again in case VV Vision happens to catch this video, they didn't catch my last video. VV Vision, reach out to me on Twitter. Reach out to me on Twitter. We'll just start a convo. We'll just chill, have a convo for a while. We'll get something going, and we'll go from there. So, whew, guys, let's pop into the spreadsheet, guys. Spreadsheet will be linked in the description down below. If you need to know the price of any VV NFTs, you're going to want to go to the link in the description down below. You're looking for column H on the market prices tab as well as column H on the digital comics tab. I've also got a bunch of portfolio calculators on here for you guys, of course, where you can type in how many of each NFT you have. It'll tell you what your portfolio is worth. I just got the Young Avengers prices added, so they should be basically good to go now and pretty much should be 100% caught up as far as that's concerned, guys. So I would very much appreciate it if you guys got some value out of my spreadsheet, of course. That's what it's here for. Let's go. All right, let's pop into some Reddits and let's shout out some homies, of course. We've got our homie Tolan the Gnome. We've got My Educated Guess Is. We've got Nearbeak. We've got VV Versum. We've got 87 Green. We've got No 77 IP. We've got Semi-Sane ITH. We've got Nice Ask. We've got Slow Opportunity. We've got Slow Opportunity again. Um, we've got Sievers here. We've got Henry Calls. We've got Nope Nope. We've got Biken. We've got Important Cake Day. We've got JDR. Hot Pocket. Humble Office. Joe the Huang, and Deep Diver. Presence known. We're going to wrap it up right there, guys. Next, we do have Omi's price trading at 0.006322. Omi can be your homie. I'm not going to be your daddy. And nothing in this video is financial advice. And you guys already know that, don't you? And that's all I have for you guys today. That's it. I hope you guys have a fantastic day planned. Wow, guys, we made it. Congrats to everybody out there. Let me know what your guys' thoughts about my deal are down in the comments down below. Do you guys think that's a smart move? That's a piece that I absolutely love having, the Rare Spider-Man. I think it's a great piece. I'm very happy with it. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are down in the comments down below. I still have quite a bit of gems, so I may find another piece and I may buy it and I may let you guys know in the near future. With that being said, everybody, have a fantastic day, okay? I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.